Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram camera if it's not working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Instagram app here, and if I want to take a photo or video and the camera is not working, there are a couple of different things that we can do to get working. The very first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to swipe to the right, and it says allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone, and it doesn't have access here. Now I can hit continue and then open the settings, but I'm just going to hit not now, right now, and show you how to get in the settings themselves to adjust the camera settings. So let's get out of here and open up our settings app. Once we're in our settings app like this, we will scroll down until we find Instagram towards the bottom here. So there's Instagram right under HBO. Max, I'll tap on that, and then you can see it gives me a bunch of different permissions, and under photos, it has a microphone that is turned on, and you'll want to make sure that's turned on if you want to record any videos. And then right under that is camera, and you can see it's off, so we can toggle that on. So that enables camera mode on your Instagram app itself. So once we've done that, we can hop out of here and go back into Instagram. Now, a couple of different things is, one, we can swipe to the right here, and you can see that it immediately pops up with the camera and gives me the option at the very bottom to do a post story reel, live whatever I want to do here. Now, another common issue is that at the very top right is if you press the plus icon and you hit story, it doesn't pop up with an option to enable that camera. It just has those camera roll options. So to get a story and to take a live video, you have to swipe to the right here, and it pops up with the option to do a post story, reel, all that different stuff. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.